Buckle up because we're doing an unboxing and first impressions review of the Mood Fabrics Swatch Club. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jennifer Moore, helping you discover your love of sewing, crafts, and DIY projects. And yes, we are doing the Mood Designer Fabrics Swatch Club subscription box. Yes, we got another subscription. This one's a little bit different. They don't really send you a project. This is a kind of a various assortment of different fabric swatches that are available from Mood, and it's sort of just so you can get a feel for some of the fabrics that this online and physical store offers. So they reached out and asked me if I wanted to receive one of these boxes. I said, sure, why not? You know, I'll try anything once, right? And this is what came in the mail. So we are going to open it together. I'm going to let you know what I think, and let's get into it. All right, this is a fairly thin box. All right, comes with this wrapped package and a couple little cards. Jen, hope you enjoy. Looking forward to your future content. Very, very cool. Thank you very much, Mood. All right, and this, I think, is a little book explaining the Swatch Club. All right, let's read it. This is the June 2018 box. All right, so there are 25 swatches. This book explains what they all are. And I wonder if they have any like inspiration or, okay, yes, it says need inspiration, keep reading for a look at 7 highlighted fabrics. Okay, so they sort of go into some of the fabrics. Okay, and you know what? This was actually gonna be one of my suggestions, but it looks like they've already thought of it. Swatch Club members get 10% off your entire purchase. So that is a perk to joining this Swatch Club. And I wasn't sure if they did that, but I'm really glad to see that they do, because these fabrics, you know, I mean, this isn't enough to make a project, and clearly they want you to order some of this fabric. I think it's good that they give a little bit of a discount for the members, especially since they're paying money every month to receive the swatches. Comes nicely wrapped. Ooh. Okay, so wow, okay, one has some major sequin action going on. It appears each swatch is about 4 by 6, so the size of like an index card, and they're all labeled on the back with the name of the fabric and the price per yard, which is helpful. I guess if you're trying to make like a swatch book, personally that's not anything I've ever done, but I guess if I wanted to, I could. You can have these as a reference point. You also, it's kind of nice that you get to like touch and feel the fabrics to see what they're all like. They definitely have an interesting assortment. Here's a like red cotton gauze. And then there's this is green quilted coating with striped ribs. Oh, and it also on the back gives you the width of the fabric. So like this one's like 55 inches. So that's interesting. All right, butterflies. Okay, so some of the fabrics are a little outside my comfort zone. I'm not sure if I would order some of these on my own, but it's interesting to look at. Okay, here's some linen. But these are certainly unique, definitely unique fabrics. Okay, this one, charcoal distressed French terry. It's definitely distressed because it has holes in it. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, this is not something I would buy. Mood, I'm just being real here. This one's a little strange. This white stretch denim, okay, that's sort of cool, and it's 64 inches wide, and it's $15.99 a yard. Okay, that's sort of cool. This one's like an embossed velvet. Oh, emerald green damask embossed velour. Wow, this one's really silk chiffon, $11.99 a yard. Okay, so out of all 25, all right, some of these just don't seem very practical. Some of them I like the substrate, but the colors are not quite my thing. Like this cotton and poly pick is sort of cool fabric. I just would probably not buy this color. I'm not sure if I see a need for avocado print fabric in my future, but if this is you, just letting you know it's out there. So far, most of the fabrics I would consider purchasing are very practical fabrics, and they're more of the solids. Like there's 3 denims. This sequin fabric is sort of cool. This is blush baby sequins on mesh. Wow, $35 a yard though. Woo! Mood Fabrics, here's what I think. So out of all of the 25 swatches, I would say there's probably 4 that I would consider purchasing in various colors. Like I like the substrates. They're kind of more practical, like everyday fabrics. Some of these like more unique fabrics, I'm just not sure if I have a need for. I may not be your ideal demographic for that. But someone that's into like cosplay or does a lot of sewing for other people or has like some sort of sewing business, I can see this Swatch Club coming in handy for you if you want to have a selection on hand to show clients, to show people that you're making things for. So I think the club might be for you if you're in that type of situation. One plus that I do like is that they give members a 10% discount on orders. I was actually going to suggest that if that wasn't already a thing, but it looks like Mood, you've already gone there, so kudos to that. But a lot of the fabrics in here, and I did read some reviews and that was sort of the general consensus, some of these fabrics, in my opinion, are just not very practical for my like everyday sewing. Again, the avocado print, sort of quirky novelty fabric, but you know, unless you know someone that's obsessed with avocados, I'm not sure if this is something I would order. And again, some of these fabrics are more like for like costume sewing or for something a little more specialized. And I don't personally do that type of sewing a lot. So I'd say if you have some sort of sewing related business where you want to have a lot of samples on hand to show people like clients, then I would definitely recommend this Swatch Club, especially since you do get a 10% coupon code, it looks like in each box, hopefully. And I think that would be cool. If you order from Mood Fabrics a lot, I've ordered from Mood Fabrics a couple of times, but I actually haven't sewn the fabrics I ordered from Mood yet. So I'm a little behind the ball there. But I think it's a cool concept, and it's interesting that you do get to see and touch all of these unique fabrics. I think this is sort of interesting. Would I personally pay for this? Probably not, but I'm also probably not the target customer for this box. Look, Mood, I'm just being honest here, and you wanted my real opinion, this is it. But I like Mood Fabrics as a company. I think they're doing some cool things, and I think this concept is very interesting for certain types of customers. So anyways, that's just my thoughts on this box. If you've tried this, let me know. If you have any questions, you know, feel free to leave them in the comments, but I'm really glad I got to try this out. Mood, thank you for thinking of me, and if you are with a fabric company or with some sort of sewing or crafting related company and you want me to try something out, let me know, hit me up. I'm always down for it because, you know, I just like doing new things. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the Sewing Report for everything sewing, crafts, and DIY projects. I'll be back for another video. I'm Jennifer Moore.